You can't pick the backsplash if you're colorblind.
Sure, let's go with the purple one.
No! Sarah and Kyle live in the suburbs, but commute to the city. They've got 2 kids, no time, and tons of laundry, but there's a wrinkle. That laundry room is dysfunctional. I'm gonna iron out the details and bring an organized laundry room into the fold.
So this is the laundry room.
This is the laundry room.
Yeah. As you can see, there's no storage space. There's really nowhere to fold laundry. We've got 2 young kids, so there's no shortage of clothes. I have this beautiful pipe on the back wall that...
That is a real eyesore.
Yeah.
The dryer and washer actually open into each other, which makes it very difficult.
No.
So both doors open this way.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you take your clean laundry out of here, you drop half of it on the floor.
Exactly, yeah.
You gotta close that up, and then you got, oh, that's it. That was the tipping point, right there.
Pretty much.
Okay, so why don't we do this? Let's start clearing this room,
All right.
so that we can get to work. I need you guys to have a look at these tiles.
Okay.
These are some tiles that I have that I'm thinking for the backsplash.
Cool.
So if there's something in particular that you love there, let me know.
All right.
And then I'll tell you my idea. Look at this
All right.
tile. Move over. The fold master is here. Are you ready? Steady.
Let's go.
I need a polar bear. Polar bear. First one finished gets to pick the backsplash tile. Boom, boom, boom! The foldiest of them all. Okay, I win, and therefore, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm picking all of them.
Mix them all up.
Mix and match. You guys can finish putting away laundry.
Thank you.
I'm gonna finish up a laundry room. It'll take 5 to 7 minutes to trowel that wall. And it's done. It's fast set, like me. Loving the way the tiles are working out in this laundry room. Most of it is decorative, so I'm doing a fast dry stack pattern. That means no grout. We're still gonna get good protection from the faucet here. I'm putting on my Schluter Fast Set right now, which is a quick drying mortar. Perfect for doing a reno in a day. And because we've got this nice Schluter profile, it looks really clean. I can't wait to finish up the entire space. The most counterproductive portion of the day. Yeah, baby! Spin cycle is done.
What?
Is it all ready?
The laundry room is ready.
Amazing. Let's
Come
check
on
it out.
in.
Let's have a look.
Come on in.
Wow. It looks
Way better.
awesome.
Is that a big difference or what?
Yeah, I love it. And the tile looks amazing. I love it. And look, the doors. I can actually
Perfect.
like,
Transfer.
without dropping,
Your whole life is going to be better from this one detail alone.
I can tell
I agree.
already.
So now we have the compatible washer dryer, the Whirlpool washer dryer, which goes with the Gladiator, both the table and the gear wall and the cabinets. It all works together. Lots of storage in here,
Fantastic.
which is great. Plus, because it's on the gear wall, you can move and mix and match things around. So you can move the shelves over here and you can slide those over, all kinds of different configurations. And I made sure that you've got enough room to
Yes.
slide things under here.
Perfect.
So
Room
you
to
can
fold.
store, you can fold if you like. You got all that room there. This is all usable space.
Yep.
You ready to do some laundry?
Oh, there's nothing I would love more.
All right, I'll leave it to you. I'm sure you guys are dying to use this space.
Awesome.
All right,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
very much.
much.
Take care, have fun.
Thank
Do
you.
lots of laundry.
All right.
Thank you.
Purr.